Now, when missiles fly in the Middle East, markets reprice risk fast. The conflict involving the United States, Israel, and Iran is already pushing up oil and strengthening the dollar. For the Philippines, that means higher fuel costs and a weaker peso and fresh pressure on inflation. The transmission to our economy is direct, and it's underway. George Cahiles has the details.
Despite recent gains in the Philippine stock market and relatively stronger peso, caution remains the dominant mood. RCBC Chief Economist Michael Ricafort says they are closely monitoring developments in the Middle East, given its critical role in global energy supply.
Ang attitude kasi ng mga nasa market ngayon, cautious muna sila. Parang yung mga kailangan mag-hedge muna yan as a matter of prudence until the dust settles. Siyempre on the defensive side muna sila.
If the conflict between U.S., Israel, and Iran drags on, economists warn that the Philippines, a net oil importer, would be among the more exposed economies should global oil prices rise further. Higher crude prices would feed directly into fuel costs, with spillover effects on food and other consumer goods. The Department of Energy is already expecting another round of fuel price increases this week. Beyond pump prices, import costs could also climb as tensions disrupt key shipping routes.
May cautiousness din. Siyempre, ayaw din naman nilang yung risk siyempre may cost of insurance yan doon sa mga vessels na nagkakarga ng crudo, ng natural gas, ng energy products, pati yung ibang ships na nadaan doon.
The risks extend beyond energy. With more than 2 million Filipinos working across the Middle East, a prolonged conflict could affect overseas employment and eventually remittances. Ricafort adds that managing external shocks will depend on long-term adjustments, including less reliance on imported oil and accelerating the shift to renewable energy. George Cahiles, Billionaire News Channel.